Hello everyone, and welcome back to Roots of Nature. We're going to showcase 20 unique indoor plants that will transform your home into a lush and vibrant oasis. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just getting started, there's something here for everyone. Plant number 1, Fiddle Leaf Fig. Our first plant on the list is the ever-popular fiddle leaf figure. With its large, glossy leaves, this beauty adds a touch of elegance to any room. It's a statement piece that's hard to miss. Plant number 2, Snake Plant. Next up, we have the hardy snake plant. Not only does it purify the air, but its striking upright leaves make it a perfect choice for modern interior decor. Plant number 3, ZZ Plant. Moving on to the ZZ Plant. If you're looking for a low-maintenance, drought-tolerant option, this is it. Its dark green, glossy leaves are a showstopper. Plant number 4, Monstera Deliciosa. Now, let's talk about the Monstera Deliciosa, often called the Swiss cheese plant. Its unique, fenestrated leaves make it a true conversation starter. Plant number 5, String of Pearls. For something truly unique, check out the string of pearls. These cascading succulents create a mesmerizing, hanging display. Plant number 6, Bird of Paradise. Up next is the Bird of Paradise. Its broad, banana-like leaves will make you feel like you're in a tropical paradise right at home. Plant number 7, Rubber Plant. The rubber plant is another fantastic addition to your indoor garden. Its dark green leaves and easy care nature make it a must-have. Plant number 8, Prayer Plant. Let's introduce the prayer plant, known for its vibrant patterns and habit of folding its leaves at night. It's a true work of art. Plant number 9, Alocasia poly. The Alocasia poly, or African mask plant, is all about those striking, arrowhead-shaped leaves. It's a real stunner. Plant number 10, Pilea Peperomioides. For a dose of cuteness, consider the Pilea Peperomioides, also known as the Chinese money plant. Its pancake-shaped leaves are adorable. Plant number 11, Calathea Orbifolia. No == W. Let's talk about the Calathea Orbifolia. Its silver green, round leaves with intricate patterns add a touch of sophistication to your space. Plant number 12, Ponytail Palm. For a playful addition, the Ponytail Palm is perfect. Its long, cascading leaves resemble a ponytail and add a whimsical vibe. Plant number 13, Air Plants. Don't forget about air plants. These unique plants don't need soil and can be displayed in creative ways, like hanging or in terrariums. Plant number 14, Dracaena marginata. The Dracaena marginata, or dragon tree, is known for its slender, red-edged leaves. It brings a touch of drama to your indoor garden. Plant number 15, Peace Lily. The peace lily is not only beautiful but also an excellent air purifier. Its elegant white blooms add a sense of peace to your home. Plant number 16, Hoya Carnosa. Now, let's highlight the Hoya Carnosa, also known as the wax plant. Its waxy, heart-shaped leaves and sweet-smelling flowers are a delight. Plant number 17, Haworthia. For a compact option, consider the Haworthia. These small succulents come in various shapes and patterns, perfect for small spaces. Plant number 18, Red Prayer Plant. Adding a pop of color, the red prayer plant showcases stunning red veins on its leaf. It's a showstopper in any collection. Plant number 19, Pothos. No indoor plant list is complete without Pothos. Its trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves are a classic choice for any home. Plant number 20, Blue Star Fern. Last but not least, let's talk about the Blue Star Fern. Blue-green fronds are like a piece of art in your living space. And there you have it, folks, 20 unique indoor plants that will truly transform your home into a green paradise. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more plant-tastic content. Thanks for watching, and happy planting!